Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Thanks for staying tuned. Another tip I'd like to help you out with is, let's say you have a pop-up and there's a group inside of it. For whatever reason, you would like to get this to the side of the pop-up without actually going out. So let's say I'm going to try to get as close as possible, and oh, that didn't work. It puts it to the bottom on the home page, and that's not where I want it to go. So let's try this again. Now I'm going to get as close as I can, and then just hold Shift and press my arrow keys. There you go. There you have it. Now you can get up all the way to the corner without worrying about it going over and back out of the pop-up. All right, there's your No Code Minute. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.